Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. So if we put b over 3 cone here, and here, so we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one, that is about 2 multiplied by number 2 sin x cosine x. The next one we have positive number 3 sin x. This one we have the square root of number 3 cosine x plus number 3 sin x. Now we can put b over 3 cone here. After we put b over 3 cone here, we have 5 over number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.